In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use green screen footage to create professional-looking videos by seamlessly integrating different backgrounds with your main footage. Let's dive right into the process to unlock the magic of chroma keying. We'll start by preparing your video tracks. First, place your green screen clip on a higher video track like V2 in the timeline. This positioning allows us to layer your background behind it effectively. Next, locate the background media, whether it's a still image or a video clip, and set it on a lower track, such as V1, underneath your green screen footage. Remember, for the best results, ensure your green screen footage was shot under even lighting, with minimal shadows or wrinkles, and the subject clearly separated from the background. Now that we've prepped our timeline, it's time to apply the Ultra Key effect, which is a powerful tool in chroma keying. First, navigate to Window and select Effects to open up the Effects panel. In this panel, search for Ultra Key, found under Video Effects and then Keying. Once located, drag this effect onto your green screen clip that you've placed in the timeline. With the effect applied, our next step is to select the key color. Click on your clip in the timeline and head over to the Effect Controls panel. Find the Ultra Key section and click the eyedropper icon next to Key Color. Use this eyedropper to select a well-lit, solid green spot in your program monitor. Avoid areas with shadows or any highlights. As soon as you choose the ideal spot, you'll notice the green background vanish, exposing your underlying clip placed on V1. With the background now removed, let's refine the key. Still in Effect Controls under Ultra Key, there are several sections you can expand for greater precision. Matte Generation allows you to adjust how stringently the background is removed. Matte Cleanup offers tools like Choke and Soften to clean up rough edges, ensuring your subject's edges are smooth. Additionally, Spill Suppression is crucial for removing any green reflections, especially from hair or shiny surfaces. For a clearer view, temporarily change the output setting of the Ultra Key to Alpha Channel, which shows transparency as black and the subject as white. Once you're satisfied, switch back to Composite. With your key refined, ensure your background on V1 is aligned properly. Scale and position it so it looks natural behind your keyed subject. Play back the timeline to examine for any green fringes or missing parts. Finally, for those perfect final touches, use a color correction tool such as Lumetri Color if necessary, to align your subject's lighting and color with the new background. For added realism, consider adding a subtle drop shadow or slight blur. This can help blend your subject more naturally into the scene. If you find playback lagging, render the section for smoother operation. And there you have it. You've successfully used Chroma Key to transform your footage.